Tired of washing dishes by hand every single night? What if a compact machine could do it all? No plumbing, no big installation, just clean dishes. Today, we're breaking down the 10 best countertop dishwashers of 2026, covering capacity, water supply, drying performance, and price, so you can stop guessing and start cleaning. Let's get into it. Number 1. EUHOMY Countertop Dishwasher. EUHOMY Countertop Dishwasher kicks off our list, and it earns its spot with one seriously useful feature: a dual water supply system. You can connect it to your faucet or use the built-in 5-liter water tank, giving you total flexibility wherever you set it up. It fits 4 place settings and offers 6 wash programs to handle different load types. The hot air drying system is a real bonus here, going beyond what many entry-level countertop models offer. It's compact enough for apartments, dorms, and recreational vehicles, and setup takes just minutes. Great starting pick for anyone who wants flexibility without the commitment of a hookup. Next up, the COMFEE Countertop Dishwasher brings the biggest capacity on our list. A full 6 place settings, making it ideal for small families. It packs 8 wash programs including eco, glass, speed, and heavy cycles, covering pretty much every cleaning scenario you'll face. It's also Energy Star certified, so you won't see your utility bill spike. The trade-off? It requires a faucet hookup, no built-in tank here. But with an LED display, high temperature washing, and support for plates up to 10 inches, this thing is built to perform. Best large capacity countertop dishwasher for families who cook a lot. Number 3. NOVETE Portable Countertop Dishwasher. The NOVETE Portable Countertop Dishwasher is where practicality meets smart design. It runs on a 5-liter built-in tank or faucet hookup, giving you freedom of placement, and its standout baby care wash mode uses high temperatures up to 167 degrees Fahrenheit to sanitize bottles and utensils safely. A fruit basket is included, which is a thoughtful extra. It also features a 72-hour air refresh ventilation mode, great for keeping the interior odor-free between cycles. With 5 wash programs and 60-minute hot air drying, this machine is practical and family-focused. Top pick for parents with small kitchens and big cleaning needs. Coming in at number 4, the EUHOMY Mini Countertop Dishwasher is all about fitting into tight spaces without cutting corners on function. Its compact footprint makes it one of the smallest on this list, yet it still delivers 6 wash cycles and high temperature cleaning. A sleek touch panel keeps the controls simple and easy to use. Like its sibling, it supports both a built-in tank and faucet connection, so you're not locked into one setup. It works great in apartments, dorms, and recreational vehicles where every inch of counter space matters. A solid, no-fuss pick for small space living. Halfway through our list, the FOHERE Countertop Dishwasher stands out with a feature most dishwashers skip entirely: a dedicated fruit washing cycle. Beyond that novelty, it handles 6 wash programs, uses a hot air drying system, and offers both portable tank and faucet hookup modes. LED touch controls give it a clean, modern feel. High temperature wash support means it's not just for light loads. It can tackle greasy pots and pans too. If you prep a lot of produce or want a multi-purpose machine that cleans more than just dishes, this one earns its keep. Best for versatile, everyday kitchen cleaning. Number 6. Hermitlux Countertop Dishwasher. The Hermitlux Countertop Dishwasher is the one to beat if you're watching your budget. It covers 4 place settings, runs 5 wash cycles, and works on either a built-in tank or faucet hookup, covering the basics without any fuss. It's space-saving by design, and no permanent plumbing is needed, making setup nearly instant. High-temperature cleaning is included, so hygiene isn't compromised despite the lower price. It's a no-frills machine built for people in apartments or rentals who just need clean dishes reliably. Best budget pick for apartment dwellers who don't want to overcomplicate things. Number 7. Black Decker BCD6W Countertop Dishwasher. The Black Decker BCD6W is the closest thing to a full-size dishwasher on this list, and it shows. With 6-place settings, 7 wash cycles, a heated dry system, and support for plates up to 10 inches, this machine handles serious loads. It's Energy Star certified, and extras like a delay start and child lock add real convenience. You'll need a faucet hookup to run it, but for what you get in return, it's well worth it. The LED display and touch controls make it easy to operate, and the build quality reflects its brand reputation. Best premium choice for users who want near full-size performance on the counter. Number 8. Farberware Countertop Dishwasher. The Farberware Countertop Dishwasher is built for people who want to go completely hookup-free. The 5-liter integrated water tank means you can place it anywhere, a rental and recreational vehicle, even a garage, and get to work immediately. It includes both a baby care mode and a fruit wash cycle, plus steam cleaning support for a deeper clean. The air refresh drying function keeps the interior fresh without added heat. With 5 wash programs and a fully portable design, it punches above its weight for a mid-range machine. Best for anyone who needs a truly portable dishwasher with zero plumbing required. Number 9. Medea Countertop Dishwasher. The Medea dishwasher is our top pick for energy-conscious buyers. It's Energy Star certified, handles 6-place settings, and supports plates up to an impressive 10.5 inches, the widest clearance on our entire list. 6 wash programs and electronic controls keep daily operation clean and simple. Its heated drying system delivers consistently dry results, and the countertop design means no permanent installation headaches. It does require a faucet hookup, but for a machine this efficient and capable, that's a minor ask. Best for energy-efficient, everyday use in a small family kitchen. Closing out our list is the Hava Countertop Dishwasher, and our pick for best overall. It combines a 5-liter built-in water tank with faucet hookup flexibility, 6 wash programs, and a generous 72-hour air drying cycle that's uniquely long compared to the competition. High temp cleaning up to 167°F, a baby care mode, and a fruit wash cycle round out an impressive feature set. All of that comes packed into a compact, apartment-friendly design that needs zero permanent installation. Whether you're renting, traveling, or just short on kitchen space, Hava delivers on every front. Easily the most well-rounded portable dishwasher on this list, and a worthy best overall. So there you have it, the 10 best countertop dishwashers of 2026. If you want the most versatile pick, go with the Hava. On a tight budget? The Hermitlux won't let you down. Check the links in the description for the best current prices. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe, and tell me in the comments which one caught your eye. See you in the next one.